Hey guys, Molly Jean here to tell you about the Rackit Harmonica Mic. I found this on blowsmeaway.com and I was searching for a harmonica microphone that you could use that could be hands-free because I play guitar as well. And also I wanted something that had that sound like when you can actually hold like a bullet microphone and you have that cupping sound. And this microphone really offers that sound for you and be hands-free, which is awesome. So the harmonica just slides right into the microphone and it's pretty secure. And I was really happy to find out that he worked with Pete Farmer, who makes the harmonica rack that I was already using, and it's used with a magnet. And so he makes one with a magnet as well, and it just slides right on. You can kind of slide it into place and it's really secure. However, if you have another microphone, harmonica rack that isn't like this, he makes them for that as well. So the volume knob is here on the side. And I don't have too much gain on it right now for what I'm about to play, but if you want more of a hot sound, you can get that by cranking up the gain a little bit as well. So it's nice to have that versatility when you're playing the harmonica. So. Chicago, that is a part of the town, and if you go there, you better beware of a man named Leroy Brown. Now Leroy, I'm more than trouble. You think he stands about 6'4", and on the downtown ladies call him tree dabbler, out of man this concert. He's a bad Leroy Brown. Badass a man in the whole damn town. Better than whole King Kong. If being in the junkie got down. So there you have it, the Rackit Harmonica Mic. You can find out more at blowsmeaway.com.